Hey guys, Trevor Reed here, and we're on to the fourth week of this kind of discussion about what aircraft we are thinking about taking for our company. I've kept the same four aircraft that I presented last week, and this week we're going to look at different costs associated with the four aircraft and what we can expect throughout the year, based on the fixed cost, variable cost, estimated hour cost, total yearly cost, and then the purchase price as well. So, looking forward to finally making a decision on what aircraft we are going to use for our company, and I hope you enjoy my presentation. Thank you. Hey guys. All right, now we're going to compare some of the prices between the four aircraft that I had mentioned previous. And again, these are the same four aircraft I've used throughout this entire project. First, we're going to look at the fixed costs. So the fixed cost for the Piper M500 is $2,040,000. The TBM 930 is $4,194,390. The Pilatus PC12 is $4,963,400, and the Phenom 100 EV is $4,495,000. Next, we'll compare the variable cost between each. The variable cost of the Piper is $481 an hour. The TBM 930 is $596 an hour. The Pilatus is $683 per hour, and then we got the Phenom 100 EV is $1,124 per hour. Next, we'll look at the estimated cost or estimated hours of utilization between the four aircraft. I went ahead and kept the same mileage that we did in the city pair analysis, just to keep kind of all four of our projects on the same page. And so the total miles travel, the miles traveled, or estimated hours with that expansion for the Piper would be 547 hours, 400 hours on the TBM 930, 467 on the Pilatus PC12, and 353 on the Phenom 100 EV. And based on those block speeds, the Phenom is obviously the fastest due to its twin engine at 340, so that's obviously going to use the least amount of hours, but the overall price on that is going to be significantly more expensive. Then you got the Pilatus with the second fastest blocks, or actually, sorry, the TBM 930 is the second fastest, but it kind of lacks the cabin volume. It's a little bit smaller than the Pilatus, and then the Pilatus is 257 block speed, 467 total hours, but you get a lot of different attributes with it that I think pay off in the long run. Now I'll look at the estimated yearly cost between the four aircraft. We got $602,042 for the Piper M500, $753,740 for the TBM 930, $890,758 for the Pilatus PC12, and $974,868 for the Phenom 100 EV. Again, I've been a big pusher for the Pilatus, and it's not the most expensive. The Phenom 100 is, but it's not the cheapest like the Piper M500. I think it's a really good price for all the benefits that it provides, all the attributes it's got. And then the estimated cost per hour of these four aircraft is going to be $1,100 for the Piper, $1,864 for the TBM 930, $1,909 for the Pilatus PC12, and then $2,759 for the Phenom 100 EV. Again, between the TBM and the Pilatus, that's about almost $30 an hour difference. I mean, it adds up a little bit over the year, but with everything that Pilatus provides, I think it's a great choice. And you can see below on the chart, those are the plotted prices. And the break-even price for the Piper is around 75 hours. The break-even price for the TBM 930 is roughly between about 115 and 125, so I said about 125 hours. The break-even for the Pilatus is 145 hours, and the break-even price for the Phenom EV is about 160 hours based on the charter. You use charter. I think that's probably the best because you're not charged what you don't use, so you're only charged per hour based on when you fly. So I think flying charter would probably be the best option based on how many hours we'll be flying with the expansion. So